Back in the Lab with Ben and Steven.
We're excited to announce that KeySplint Hard is officially FDA 510K cleared and commercially available to you.
To complement KeySplint Soft, KeySplint Hard offers a strong and rigid option for all your splint, retainer, and night guard applications. With more elasticity than other competing hard splints, KeySplint Hard is less brittle, more durable, and provides excellent wear resistance for your patients.
One great benefit to KeySplint Hard is its ability to easily polish, giving a great shine to your patients.
So make sure to check out our website for our official polishing protocol and contact your dealer for our brand new KeyPrint polishing kit.
It's a good kit.
It's a great kit. So printer validations, the reason we're all here. Make sure to check out our website for all of our validated printers and post-cure units that are compatible with KeySplint Hard. With that said, stay classy, San Diego, and we'll see you next time, back in the lab.